Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix or download shortcuts not working on iPhone. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So how to fix this issue? You have opened the Instagram or any app, so you have download the video uh, to help of our download. So then you have opened the Instagram video reels. So then you have download this video. So you have click on share and share to. So then you have scroll up, then you have click on or download. So then our download given a permission, so then you have taken a permission, then video is automatic download, allow our download to connect to saving app. So then you have allow, and then video is automatically download on your gallery. So then you have uh, allow the permissions, then wait a few seconds. So then you have show my iPhone screen, so video is download. So some seconds you have wait for video download on your iPhone. Then is download my iPhone, so I have go the gallery. So then you have same to same video is download my iPhone. So then you have how to download shortcuts are download. So you have open the Safari browser. So then you have click on search on theme points. So then you have first link theme point, click here, and then you have uh, click on three dots. So then you have click here, and then you have click iOS shortcuts. So then you have close this ad. So then you have only uh, iOS shortcuts show your iPhone. So then you have download from here, get the latest R download. So then you have download from here all media simplify. So then you have scroll up, then you have seen R downloader. So you have then install the shortcuts on your iPhone. So then you have update install on your iPhone. So then you have setup and next, and then add shortcut I have already downloaded. So then you have replace. So then I have replaced my shortcuts. So then you have click on our download. So you have given a permission, then you have taken on your iPhone our download shortcuts. So you have click on exit. No, you click on no option, so you have exit, and then our download is download on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.